How far do you think cooperation, competition and confrontation have shaped the nature of federation in India? Cite some recent examples to validate your answer. 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. India's federal system involves a mix of cooperation, competition, and confrontation between the central and state governments. Cooperation is vital for collaborative planning and policy making, exemplified by the establishment of the Niti Aayog, which encourages dialogue on economic issues. Body, cooperation, competition. The Indian federal system is designed to promote cooperation between the center and the states. The Goods and Services Tax, GST, is a key example, creating a unified tax system through collaboration. The Niti Aayog fosters joint planning and policy making, replacing the Planning Commission. Competitive federalism encourages states to improve policies to attract investment. The center's competitive resource allocation prompts states to streamline regulations. Ease of doing business rankings drive states to enhance their business environments. The Smart Cities mission encourages innovative urban development through competition. Confrontation. Conflicts can arise due to political or administrative issues, like the disputes between the central government and state governments over the CBI's jurisdiction and the Citizenship Amendment Act, CA. Conclusion. India's federal system thrives on cooperation and competition while managing confrontations. Balancing these elements is crucial for effective governance and addressing the diverse needs of the country.